Hello. Good morning. You're watching The Knowledge by Tariq Mehmood. Today we will discuss the benefits of drinking hot water. Let me start. Drinking water is essential for good health, and many people choose to drink it hot, either first thing in the morning or throughout the day. Drinking hot water has been linked to a number of health benefits. Here are some of the potential benefits of drinking hot water. 1. Aids digestion. Drinking hot water can help to stimulate digestion, which can lead to better nutrient absorption and a healthier gut. It can also help to relieve constipation by softening stools and promoting bowel movements. 2. Boosts metabolism. Drinking hot water can help to increase your metabolic rate, which can help you burn calories, lose weight and eliminate toxins from body. 3. Relieves pain. Drinking hot water can help to relieve pain and inflammation in the body, particularly in the throat and sinuses. It can also help to ease menstrual cramps and muscle soreness. 4. Promotes relaxation. Drinking hot water can have a calming effect on the body, helping to reduce stress and anxiety. It can also help you sleep better by promoting relaxation and reducing tension in the muscles. 5. Improves circulation. Drinking hot water can help to improve circulation by dilating the blood vessels and increasing blood flow. This can help to reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease and other health problems. 6. Helps to hydrate the body. Drinking hot water can be a great way to stay hydrated, especially during the colder months.